Google is the world's #1 search engine and has been around for more than a decade. Google is a company that generates billions of dollars in revenue each year and expects to keep growing. With these numbers, it's no wonder Google is at the top of its game. It's so easy to earn money with Google. Have you ever wanted to earn money with Google? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google and some of the best tools that Google has to offer. With these tools, you'll be able to earn up to $75 in just a few minutes. But before we start, make sure to check the links below in the description. I am sharing a very special and exclusive methods to make more than $1,000 each and every day. So, make sure you don't miss out on that. Now, let's jump to the video, and make sure to watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Google love to know your thoughts, so we can keep making Google products that fit your needs. You'll get to influence things millions of people use every day, from email and productivity apps to tools for developers and educators. Even if you don't currently use Google products, you can still sign up for a chance to participate in Google research. You don't need to be a Google user, computer expert, or technology enthusiast to sign up. Anyone who is over the age of 18 and has ever used the internet in any way can join the program. You can participate in some studies from anywhere via your computer, smartphone, or tablet. To participate, go to userresearch.google.com. Click on the Sign Up button. Then, fill out a form to tell a little bit about yourself. It'll help Google determine if any of the upcoming user experience research studies would be a good match for you. If a study is a good fit for you, you'll get a follow-up questionnaire and details about what the study involves, including the next steps and location. When you sign up, you can choose the study types that interest you the most. Here's a quick breakdown of the different types of studies and how they work. Remote usability study. In these studies, they'll gather your feedback via a screen sharing session with a researcher or a website where you can try something out on your own. You can be almost anywhere in the world, but you'll need to have a high-speed internet connection. Usability study and giving feedback at a Google office. These studies work best for people who live close to one of Google's offices. Typically, you'll meet one-on-one with a Google researcher who'll ask you some questions about have you used a new or existing product, your experiences with their products, or technology in general. Long-form study. These studies require a small amount of activity every day for several days or weeks. Google researchers will ask you to respond to questions or take notes based on your experience using a product. You'll do everything on your own smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Google provides a gift as a way of saying thanks to people who participate in research studies. Participation in a study session always entitles you to a gift card up to $75. You can get your gift from a variety of retail options to choose from, as well as Visa International, MasterCard gift cards, PayPal, and Amazon gift cards. However, if you are looking for earning more money, so make sure to check the links in the description below to start making more than $1,000 each and every day, and also other methods to make some money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.